My mother was dreaming that I will be a great person. I became a doctor because I wanted to save others from feeling the pain I felt when my mother died. The Somalia I grew up in was so much different than today. Mogadishu was the best place in all Africa. Life was very beautiful, very simple, and very peaceful. It started to go bad in 1988. When the government collapsed, more and more people come to us to escape the fighting. In time, my children became doctors, and now we work together. Today, our one-room clinic is a 400-bed hospital.
One woman emerged as an island of hope, fighting off Islamist militants and restoring peace for nearly 100,000 of Somalia's most needy. She is Dr. Xaawa Abdi, known in her village as Mama Xaawa, who founded a free health clinic back in 1983. And when the Islamic militants, Al-Shabaab, recently banned international aid organizations from Somalia, her hospital became even more vital, and it grew into a life-saving refugee camp. Glamour magazine once described Abdi as equal parts Mother Teresa and Rambo, and she's been nominated even for a Nobel Peace Prize.
So what is the biggest challenge working mother and daughter in such dangerous and sometimes scary situations?
Yes, now my place is 90,000 people who is respecting each other, who is not fighting, but we try to stand our feet to do something, little thing we have for our people.
What's the best part of working with your mother and the most challenging part for you?
She's very tough. It's mostly challenging. She always expects us to do more. You see 300 patients, 20 surgery, and 90,000 people to manage.
But you do it for good reason, Becky. Thank you.
Dr. Xaawa Abdi is a human rights activist, lawyer, and doctor specializing in gynecology. She's the founder of the Dr. Xaawa Abdi Foundation, which runs a hospital and school in one of the largest internationally displaced persons camps in Somalia.
I live for the hope that peace will come, that my children and my grandchildren will someday know that Somalia I loved. Until that time, they can build on what I have started. I am Dr. Xaawa Abdi.